neither the judge or, family services personnel. They do not have the time or the resources to go through, or the obligation to make sure that every single thing is in an agreement that should be, that it's written correctly, or that you understand it correctly. People think that that's a given, and they think that, well, the judge approved it, then the judge is going to go through it and make sure that it's correct. And that's not what the judge does. Judges are all different, and most of them will try to go through and make sure that everyone understands the agreement, but they have no idea of knowing if something is missing. They have no idea. They don't have the time to to know if you really understand a term that's in there that maybe you don't understand. Everything in court is quick for the most part. For quite a few years now, Connecticut has allowed something called partial representation or limited scope representation. We call it a-la-carte representation. So you can hire an attorney. If you can't afford it for your whole case, you can hire an attorney for bits and pieces of your cases where you think you might need the most help. We've always done free phone consultations. We've always wanted to make ourselves available for people just to get procedural information, price information, and just to, determine whether or not they'd even think about using us or want to use us.